All right, so here a couple years ago we did a trade show where we took we used these two 4x8 truss dock sections, and then we also had a 16-foot bridge that spanned between them. We used them as mounts. And since then we got back from the trade show, we just left this out in the rain. You could get an idea of how it holds up. This is decked with a Trex style laminate wood decking, and it's built the way. Cole, you want to help me here? We'll stand it up. I'll show you how the barrels are attached. So all right. So one of the keys to the rolling barge is the way that we attach the barrels. These barrels are attached where we've got bolts going through the lip right here, and we also have a plate that bolts into the bottom of the deck that with screws holding through the lip of the barrel. So this is very solid, and we have that at the end of the lip, so everything holds that barrel in place. And it's an interesting design that the entire dock is actually floating on the deck. So the deck is screwed down to the frame. The frame is holding the barrels in place, and the whole thing is just one solid unit. And you probably already know, if you've been on our website much, how strong and how durable these 55-gallon plastic drums are. But we're going to give you a little example of the kind of thing. Don't try this with your rectangular dock floats, please. So there you have it, rollingbarge.com.